This equation is long, but we can't be intimidated. We just do it piece by piece. So I'm going to start with distributing, right? I'm going to multiply this 6 times 2x and this 6 times negative 4. Okay, just going to do it one step at a time and keep your work nice and neat. 6 times 2 is 12. But this is 2x, so that's 12x. Now, positive times negative is negative, right? This is positive 6 times negative 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, now I've done this part, so you can kind of like take this part out of your mind. Now I'm over here. I'm distributing positive 3 times x, positive 3 times 5. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 5 is 15. Bring down equals 21. Now I have like terms. 12x plus 3x. Okay, these are like terms because they both have an x. 12 plus 3 is 15. That's 15x. Now, negative 24 and 15. Okay, you got to be careful here. This 24 is negative and this 15 is positive. So I could write out, like imagine if I wrote out 24 negative signs, right? Now I'm not going to do it, but imagine if I did. If I wrote out 24 negative signs, that's 24 holes in my boat. And I have 15 patches, right? And imagine I write out 15. I'm not going to though, because we can just picture it. What do I have more of? Do I have more holes in my boat or more patches for my boat? I have more holes for my boat, right? I have more holes because this negative number is bigger. So whatever I get now is going to be negative. So I have 24 holes. I'm going to have holes left over after I patch them. How many? Well, let's see. I'm starting with 24, and I'm going to subtract 15 from that, right? Because this is positive 15. So I'm going to have my negative 24, but each of these holes I can patch. So what I'm actually doing in the math in my head is 24 minus 15. And you can use your fingers, you can use a calculator, you can use whatever, but 24 minus 15 is 9. Okay. Now I need to get x by itself. So here this just goes back to the two-step equations you did in the previous problems. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. And then x is being multiplied by 15, so I'm going to divide by 15. And I get x equals 2. And you're going to use a similar process to answer your question.